him. That's when man first got the whim for that personified, magnified, classified